Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Acura RDX to Garage Full Guide. Start by placing the garage remote near the vehicle, turn on the Acura ignition, and open the built-in garage control menu. Press the Garage Remotes program or Learn button when the vehicle prompts you, then confirm the sync and test the door twice to ensure consistent operation before driving away. Before pairing, verify the garage remote battery is fresh and your Acura software is current to avoid compatibility issues. Park the vehicle within a few feet of the opener and disable nearby devices that might interfere with radio signals. Make sure valet mode is off and have the garage opener's Learn button visible so you can follow the vehicle prompts and complete the secure synchronization. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful videos. On another note, the socks shown here are terrific for garage work. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them while working on doors and they hold up well. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Common failures stem from weak batteries, locked settings, or rolling code mismatches. So start by checking each factor methodically. Reset the garage opener briefly and repeat the pairing sequence from the vehicle's menu, watching for any error prompts. If the system still won't connect, consult the owner's manual or contact Acura support or a certified technician to verify compatibility and run safe diagnostics to resolve the issue reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.